We are next to the water wall here, one of my favorite spots. The energy is absolutely incredible, and Cancer, I feel like you are right at home when you are next to the water. You are the crustacean of the zodiac. So I feel like right now during Saturn retrograde, instead of you feeling guarded and hardened by the series of events for the past 6 months, I feel as though what's inside of your shell and your exoskeleton, your exterior, is the soft part. Your emotions, your intuition, your sense of love, your nurturing nature is right in the center of your exoskeleton, which is your guard, your defense mechanisms, the thing that you use as a barrier to keep people from taking advantage of your nurturing nature. So I feel like on some aspects of your life currently there could be some karmic cycles coming to a close. That's what Saturn retrograde is all about. Karmic cycles coming to completion, and relationships, workplace situations, family, etc. is finally completed for the better. So I get the sense that you're more so focused on the softer aspects, what's inside. And for those of you that have yet to get to that point, I still feel as though you guys are trying to break through that tough exterior, that exoskeleton, in order to tap into your softness, your emotions. Now the first card that we have flipping out is the King of Wands. And I get the sense that you guys have either been, offered a managerial position or some sort of opportunity that has proven to be lucrative for you. For those of you that are focusing on school, entrepreneurship, I do see financial opportunities coming your way. Now let's go ahead and lay everything out. Okay. Beautiful cards, Cancer. Damn. Beautiful, beautiful energies. Wow. Okay. So, from what I see here with the Empress, this is all about you, Cancer, your nurturing nature. Abundance is flowing through your life freely, and you're able to manifest tangible things for yourself. Things are starting to manifest in your favor. And I get the sense that with the King of Wands, you guys have either been focusing on school or a managerial position here that could be proving to be lucrative for you. You are taking the initiative. You are putting in the hard work. You're showing leadership within the workplace. But there's something here that could be draining you financially, and it could be due to a new beginning. Some of you may have missed an opportunity recently to start a new position, or some of you guys are starting fresh, finding a new job. And right now, while you're proving yourself, there may have been some sort of missed financial opportunity in the process. Maybe you had one that was offered to you that was more lucrative than the other, and you had to turn the other down. That could also be what that is. But King of Pentacles, in the near future, I feel as though you guys are focused on your money, focused on your home, focused on what you can do to regain stability in your life, whether it's financially, emotionally, or what have you. Now, granted, I don't see any watery energies as of yet. Some of you guys may be dealing with a fire sign here, where some of you may have become pregnant, or it could be an earth sign. Some of you may have a child with this person already, where someone may be a fire sign, an earth sign, and maybe the child is an earth sign. I also see some air sign energy as well, in your hopes and fears position with the Knight of Swords reversed. So I definitely get the sense that you guys are focused on abundance coming towards you, money coming in, and you being able to regain stability. Whatever it is that you guys have just started, projects, new job, any sort of lucrative opportunity, whether it's, involved with your entrepreneurship, I definitely feel as though you will manifest all that it is that you desire, and you will definitely be able to bring in more abundance This is all about you having the willpower to do what it is you need to do. And you guys may even find something new in the process, whether it's a new job, a new home, that proves to be even more lucrative for you. Now the Six of Swords I see is all about moving on. So some of you guys are traveling overseas. Some of you guys are moving to a new workplace or a new home with your family here. And I get the sense that you guys are just doing well. Everything is in the upright, so that's beautiful. I absolutely love these energies this month. And from what I see, for those of you that may have been awaiting promotions to get that managerial position or awaiting a promotion in general, you guys will get that. You will start to get long-term stability with these new opportunities, this new home, new situation. Everything will prove to be lucrative for you. I definitely see that you guys are healing within a situation regarding a relationship here, or it could even be within your financial situation. There's a semblance of healing. And I also get this sense of Nine of Pentacles. Money is looking damn good for you guys. I'm so happy for you, Cancer. Money is looking great. Some of you guys may have decided to be single and self-sufficient, or there's someone else that you guys may have been dealing with for quite some time where you've decided, you know, maybe it's best if we move on. I start over, new place, new everything, new relationship, and, you know, maybe both of you guys are doing well without each other. But I also feel as though the Knight of Swords in reverse and your hopes and fears is all about impulsive actions and impulsive words. Your fears are giving you anxiety. It's making your thoughts scattered. And so I get the sense that it's due to someone's impulsivity within the family or the workplace here. I also see the Hierophant in reverse. So this refers to you feeling as though your kindness has been taken for weakness, for those of you that are ending a relationship and starting fresh alone. And some of you may be dealing with someone that has been going the unconventional route. Maybe you guys are working at an unconventional position, unconventional career field. I also feel as though there's a lack of stability. This is all about broken marriages and broken homes. So there's definitely some things here that could allude to there being some legal issues getting in the way where you guys may receive a settlement or you guys may win the case. So if you guys were wondering about that, I do see things turning out in your favor. Now let's go ahead and clarify these. The Empress. All right, so we have the Nine of Swords. A lot of anxiety here. You're feeling suspicious of someone here. I definitely get the sense that you guys are nearing completion. You guys are feeling as though you're blinded to the truth of a situation, but you've got to make a choice, okay? Because I feel like you guys have been exchanging some words that may have been a bit harsh. You guys have reached a stalemate, and now it results in both of you going your own way and starting fresh. King of Wands. All right, so the Five of Chalices reverse is all about moving on, accepting the things you cannot change. So I definitely get the sense that you guys have taken the initiative to leave something behind with the fire or earth sign here. It could even be air for some of you. Some of you guys may just be focusing on regaining balance financially, balancing work and home, and that's it for now. Now the Ace of Pentacles. I see the Knave of Chalices reverse. So this could be how you're feeling right now, a little bit insecure, or you could have turned down a love offer, or someone has turned down your love offer due to insecurities. Someone is too immature to be able to manifest anything real for a long-term situation because their insecurities end up getting in the way. You know, someone is emotionally blocked, someone is a little bit blocked from their intuition, and there just seems to be a lot of issues here. Someone ended up blocking the other, and now they're no longer speaking, and it's, you know, it's bringing about a lot of internal conflict. King of Pentacles. All right, so we have the Hermit in reverse. So we see Virgo energy here, so some of you may be dealing with this sign specifically. I also see Capricorn energy. A Capricorn could have reclaimed their power from you or vice versa, and I also see a Virgo that is pulling back and they're being overcautious, they're being paranoid because they are not doing you right. They've been very hesitant, they're just not on the up and up. So I definitely feel like you guys are pulling back. Maybe you guys released yourself from this karmic situation, or they have decided to do so for themselves. For some time, maybe you guys are feeling bound to the situation, but you decided to let it go. Magician. Six of Pentacles. So you guys may have been helping each other with the finances, or maybe you received help financially to be able to make this new move, to move on while, you know, to keep you afloat while you were looking for some new opportunity. But now that you have, you're able to give and receive, give and receive. So it's an equal give and take. I also feel as though you guys are looking for something equal. So you guys have decided to move on. This is your card, Cancer. You guys will be triumphant and successful once you do move on. So you guys, if you guys have been contemplating that, that is in your best bet, because I think that you guys will end up no longer believing in someone because there's a lot of conflict, they're acting shifty, their insecurities are getting in the way, and there's just too much negative energy. There's too much anxiety being generated. Six of Swords. All right, the Ace of Wands reverse is all about a lack of initiative. You don't want to work on this anymore. There may be some delays of starting a new beginning, but now that you've received the assistance that you needed, you're able to move on. Some of you guys may be dealing with a Gemini here where you feel as though things are not reciprocated. You feel like they're more focused on sex in the relationship. This could be due to a situation of unrequited love. So you've made a decision due to a lack of harmony to let it all go. Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so we have the High Priestess. You guys are definitely picking up on something intuitively here. So I definitely feel like you guys are, you know, pondering over secrets that have been revealed regarding a third-party situation. Somebody has been doing some drinking. There's definitely some instability here. You guys are moving on slowly but surely, but you're starting to notice a lot of indiscrepancies in your relationships. Nine of Pentacles. All right, so we have the Ten of Pentacles here, and this is all about money coming in. You're completing a cycle. So maybe someone decides that they're more focused on being self-sufficient. Maybe you guys reunited, got married, you know, got into a commitment. This is definitely financial stability coming in for you for sure. So that's good. Knight of Swords reversed. All right, so we have the Moon reversed. Card for Pisces. This is all about deception circulating around you. That's why they're so impulsive and reckless. It could be someone from your past, someone from your childhood, where they're just being extremely deceptive. It's bringing about a lot of unhappiness and confusion. It's got your mind all over the place because you don't know what you should do. Hierophant in reverse, but what you should do is start new, because once you seek your justice, focus on getting your justice in court, you will get that. If this has something to do with finances for child support, settlements regarding, you know, the home, you guys will definitely succeed. So no worries this month, Cancer. I absolutely love it. You guys will be focusing on your goals, your passions, creative pursuits, and learning new things. For those of you that are receiving news about being able to move forward, things are looking good. And if you guys do decide to sever a bond here with an air, earth, water sign here, you're on the right path. So there you go, you guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, stay blessed, not stressed. Peace and love.